0302216561216562.
Hello.
Captain, good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
You know who's speaking?
Hey, you got to do, man.
That's right, what it do.
You got to do.
That's right, man. Captain.
Yes, sir.
You wait, papa.
Are they?
Father's Day, because of you, I went to Kokomemle. And you were nowhere to find.
Oh.
That day, I came there to see you in person. So you see the man called Do.
But you didn't call me.
Oh, well, you were interviewed and you said you would make palm nut soup. So I said, okay, this is not going to make palm nut soup. Let me come and try. Anyway, what time will you invite me for one or two things?
Let's see Friday.
All right. When you decided that you call me for information.
No, I'll see you on Friday.
Right.
Yeah.
So I should come over there Friday.
Yes, by... hold on. So Friday by 9:30 you should be here.
9:30 in the morning.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome then.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Continue with your job.
All right.
See
You got to do.
Check it out, my boy. Check it out, Bill.
All right. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Your friend Tete Zaya.
Okay, Tete. All right then.
I mean, we see Brother Sammy or electrician or Accra State one man. And I mean, we see Black City. I don't want the birthday and
okay. All right. We know we are better. Belated happy birthday and my Mrs. Eunice Jacqueline.
Good morning.
Hene, we are a member of the Council of State for the Western Region. Sweet mom, happy birthday. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name to you?
I am Bossman.
Okay.
Blaster, good luck. Ne blaster for no. You show me good luck. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Mrs. Cynthia Ankra, and then your birthday, Dr. Ebenezer Ankra, and then Marina Lothar, Laura, and then Lilybell. Omina Swamo will show happy birthday. Hello, good morning. Went to be in so hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Patrick to say.
Yeah, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we did the Charles Nyako, Mr. Piachama Newtown.
Charles Madase.
But you may receive blaster for no. Well, we wish him well, but now we cast to you, mommy. And you could pick another check on a defender.
Okay.
Yeah. Mitia Ankamopina, Gomoga
Fuina, so may say. Happy birthday in advance in command, Regina Abina Mary Ama Yamwa. See our show. Happy birthday in advance, Regina Abina Gold. Sanso and Mrs. Christiana Nano, Pastor Stephen Nano, and the Renewal Committee 16, Church of Pentecost. Sofano. Sofame, happy birthday. Happy birthday, pa. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Captain here.
Ra.
And the black star all the way.
Bibia dan kwem.
Me the best man can fit as well.
Me da say.
Madam Fu, ba kwen friend of Abraham. They don't have any EB and then birthday. That's all we send mommy.
What's your name?
Baby. My happy birthday, why?
Happy birthday, Pan Wine Trucas and a Paddy. Mrs. Evelyn Adom Dakwa and okay, and a casa.
Captain. Oh, me, I'm a body captain. Do they do for my coat down?
Hey,
Mapo, as you say,
Yamia don't know where.
Yeah, me wish you Blaster happy birthday today. And your first match now, 2-1. And it's your tour.
No problem. What do you have, Basso? You will be a phone line after you know. Said it will be a prediction. They are fans and they call. Mrs. Evelyn Adom Dankwa. Happy birthday. Sansuna Caleb for Adom. Na muina no. Okay, so for my media na 23rd no Sunday no na the birthday and also 24th no and a birthday. Reverend Charles Adom Dakwa so wish muina no. Happy birthday. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning, Captain.
Good morning.
Captain, I'm wishing my happy birthday. And 66th birthday.
66?
Yes.
Wow.
We're wishing a happy birthday. Friday Dino Pong.
Dino Pong.
Of Chevy.
Chevy, okay.
We're wishing a happy birthday.
All right, Obetepa. Yeah, for the last person. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Mpacho Mamintio.
Yo. And I'm wishing Maria down for Banco. Oh, no, call. First, no, how about the same? Oh, I'm wishing a happy birthday. Captain, I did be hammy.
And then, how
Captain, I am a pretty bear 1 week. I am I said, be the matches. Me life, me nam
Debbie, be anywhere. Tobo, be anywhere, do it. Hey, what drink?
Depression, hammy. And if I am Mr. Dam says yes, Bianca Samuel, I am sending coming who. Can my name will be captain a bread? I come to the medical day. And I mean, if I will choke up, take a bit everywhere.
What number you say? What about number, mommy?
If I tell me number 0543
0542. Hold on, mommy. 0543, 52 86 59. Me point my fro. Why? We didn't need to say.
Touch a from the Nathan tour.
Okay. Me point my fro. Why? Man, you're who bonny. There be men, yes, sir.
Me regular name, me work at your name, maybe I'm missing coming home, cause minimum for so be me, yo, Captain, me, bro.
Yamio, me point my fro. Why? I mean, show on so much Facebook messages, maybe here. Rauf, obey that say good morning. Bernard Yosin, the person cousin tree, and I said, I trot TWEE, baby. And,
I can't want a chair.
In Cajon. And also just say, as a one of my David Techimenson say, more fire. You don't know slice, you go Ghana, go Black Stars. Kingsley Bruni, morale is high, go Ghana. Mariama Yamwa, happy birthday. Okay, anyway, my Canada. Kobe Astonish, GH, go Black Stars. Pascaline, Jesse, can I join you to dance? Why not? Just fly to the studio. Azia Emmanuel, say Vim. Romeo Eric Boadi, wish the Black Stars good of luck in today's match. Cassandra Pia, go Black Stars, good luck. Suleiman Salifu, I'm watching you live in Saudi Arabia. Ghana Black Stars, more Vim. Kweku Usu Ansa, Vim. Kwabena Mensa, wishing Black Stars happy birthday, pa. Hey. On over or Streka home. Emmanuel Logo, wishing Black Stars good luck. Khadija H. Issa, I'm Khadija from Kaswa. I'm wishing Black Stars best of luck. Josie Buensi, happy birthday to my big brother in Germany, Berlin. One for the day and home. Michael Adam, watching from Beirut, Lebanon. I wish Ghana Black Stars good luck. Isaac Boachi also today is my birthday. Happy birthday, boy. Inshra Benedra GH Nyamene Yembua for thanks, Captain. God bless you. Watching you live from Dubai. Isaac Boachi, I'll say happy birthday to myself. Okay, Isaac Boachi, happy birthday. Adani Stephen, big brother, how are you? Well, I'm still battling with my cold, but I'm doing fantastic. Nanefia Crucial, go Black Stars, go. Kwame Ketri, great Ghana. Okay, he sent this from Copenhagen in Denmark. Isaac Chumesi, I'm watching you guys live from Israel, Tel Aviv. I wish Ghana all the best today. May Almighty God have mercy upon us. Isaac Boachi, I will be in Black Stars team very soon. Birthday like this. Wasiano dos Santos. Go Ghana. Let's repeat 2009. Donsa Amankwa Makrichi. Hey. Okay, me dey no be message you am na kan. I know about Jack kind why. I'll say youth BB. So ho. There are you here? Your friend of Makrichi Donsa Amankwa. Jai. Pass him. K Kwabena, this is the first time I have seen such morale in the camp of the Stars. I'm convinced they will do exploits. Kobe from Nottingham all the way in the United Kingdom. Bright Agbanyo, good morning, my boss. Good morning, bro. Kofi Apia Mensa, may the Almighty God comfort the woman. Sure, we need to help her. It's serious. Matilda Kwansa, GM Captain. Good morning to Yabua Peter. Watching live from Dubai, wishing Black Stars good luck. Exhibit James Kwachi. Forwarding on Facebook. Good work, bro. We wish Ghana all the best. Oh, you are in Finland? Finland, good morning. I'm going to say, oh, that's a mitch remu. Kofi Adoma by a crop, refi.
Azonto.
Adema here, Azonto. Katahin Lonkai. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Where's it? Where's that one? Okay. Edward Tete, Black Stars, God will take you through. Bright Agbanyo, today is my birthday. Okay, Bright Agbanyo. Okay, happy birthday, bro. Eric Prince Ejay Agbajang. Captain, you are doing a good work. Thank you, Evans Ebule. Good morning, Captain. Good morning to you. Alex Ansa, wishing the Black Stars the best of luck. Bernard Amponsa, Ose Ghana. Flash, Zandagod. Good morning, Captain. Black Stars all the way. Okay, there's more there. Let me see if I can get it right for you, but that's okay. I think that's okay. Joshua Owusu, Captain, happy birthday to my dear Joyce Fixing. Joyce Fixing, oh, today is your birthday. Happy birthday from Joshua Owusu. Kwamis, Japan. Captain, can you please repeat the lady who is suffering from depression's number? No. The number and they mean repeat why or the mamenko and then there's no way I could take it over until I'm a genius. I know. Kwame Ketri, the God of Ghana will do it again. Kwame sent this from Copenhagen. Jafta Opokwajiman, go Black Stars, go guys, have your support. Foster Embro, good morning. Oliver Twist, Demang. Is that how you guys dance at the studio? Young court dancing school be until the man here, you know. Dominic Haywood. Dominic Haywood. The name sounds familiar. Haywood. And that person be your Takwane friend Haywood. Happy birthday to all June borns. Okay. Frank Na Iniesta. Good morning, Captain. You do all. I wish the Black Stars good luck. The messages are as many as you can count them, man. Emmanuel Boadu Boache and Kruma, please do something about the ladies' problem. I will. Emmanuel Adabi, go Ghana. Jan will score goals like he is mad in all the tournament. Amen. A GN captain, wish Black Stars good luck. That came from Grandpa. You don't know Sly. May Almighty God comfort the woman. Okay. 4-star. Mbro. Adom FM no size. Captain, you look smart really. Ha ha ha. Bits up to you all in the studio. Where is Sechua? Sechua is sitting here. Akosha, see, where are you?
Jack, where are you?
I am here.
Okay. So what you see, she's here. Justice Techiman Singh, Captain, let the lady know that she has everything to enjoy life. Okay. Oliver Twist, demand, I love your courage at the studio, watching you live from Baghdad. Ghana Futukwayung. Christabel meant a happy belated birthday to my twins, Elvis and Felix from London. Oh, Elvis and Felix, happy birthday. Kofi Bente, go Black Stars, go. Efiabuachua Felby, good morning, Captain. Best of luck to the Black Stars. Boachua from Spain. Oh, Jonathan Anyimia, Black Stars 3, Benin 1. That one came from Italy. Regina, Bruce. Good luck, Black Stars. William Manfo, happy birthday to my daughter Nanefia Manfo Ahinkra, or West End International School. And then Francis Ayim says, Captain More Fire, Black Stars all the way. And then Emmanuel Opokuntiamwa, good luck to the Black Stars. Emmanuel Adabi, go. Jan will score. Okay, that's it. So that's it for now. Messages Nabi Babiuma. Dwaso. I said, so I said, Brasso said, Napos there. You better than paper snatching.
I know the paper snatching. I want to sports no winter, no one near Deba. And then so. I said, the Okwako Bobino.
Cabella.
Wasn't I a kipao?
And I'm a dog, I'm a chipao.
Oh, betcha.
No, me chip, papa.
Chiala, betcha, bra.
I get a you.
Maybe I make a 200 and I'm a home.
Oh, there be me quite 5,000. I was third best in the whole of Central Region.
Hey,
me was good. I'm here.
Hey, that's in the man where I was here.
And I'm for fun. I'm going to be now. Says I'm call police.
And then go. I'm to call Sojan.
We now call police.
It's much a muhugu.
Me ball hockey. And one of them, your body, be my mitriami. Was it me? Mistake them cobble. What do you obey?
And yeah, the question go grab for the
cobble.
Golf in the hockey, there's a
hockey. We are confronting me.
A wunya now.
Maybe I say so. See me at the answer to my hockey.
And I'll go golf and so.
Go for the answer and crack grobis.
Who could do golf park? And I have a phone. I'm Life good, LG.
Second Kings Real Estate, the home for Kings. Call them 024-464-5784. Feco Spray Starch look sharp. Latest from your partner for life. Agbeva Herbal Center. Wayar Safi. Lily Rice. Tasty food, happy family. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? And Tabia Heba, make sure you're true and authentic Heba medicine. One of the swats today, the Hebrew. Okay, I granted that I have seen her. Okay.
Oh, wow. Now, and then, any journal, I deep. And Black Stars. Young Castle, more quack on, or more phone, Kunimaba. Sansa baby or modernity in himself can be so. Yeah, ye stages, group stages say nay in show, and in himself ye betray Mako. Empire ya bwana say every win counts, every lose counts. Inti young Cassa way a first match in Tianya, we cry quaco weniaba. Nanipa back when a graphic sports what dear ba a witch you hanum, a ye as somewhere Jan, Ghana, general captain. Was so a records man, a Agokansimu, and Ghana, Agokansimu. Enye Africa nkwa nimpo world eka ho bi wase asam wagya ni record man na oka enwasem ene say se wo hwe no a efinhia aduasa miensa pe ye wadie ne records ya wo sa wa hye 6 goals e wo FIFA World Cup
Messi grand
oni bi obi anto no
we dan Asamoah na hye
6 goals 2006 2010 2014
the only Ghanaian player wa hye 6 goals
yes.
in the World Cup
Etuba abibremu a Asamoah woni seso afei wose enu achi no Afcon dodo a wakonyina ebia wokọ a wo hye enti so hye sa Afcon we so goals eka ho a na chese papa no kwa no wokọ nanim abrochi no 33 had a friend papa na se kwa na okọ nanim pa sho say na wose se wo hye se wadi squad nanim 208 2013 2015 2017 ebia wo mo beko bia baby jet chere ne bobre ya 29 matches ya wabo nyina wo hye goal enti ye hwe kwan se Asamoah ne records na waye no na wo kweso kwakoye bi de aka ho enya ne ball no nko de aka nyina na Ghana Black Stars gidi a ewo mumu no mpanimfo edi animu kura susan wo gidi ani bi o se to de bi a o kwa akono a wo mo wo nche na timi sa ade na enye bet fans ne wo akira wo mu hunu se ade na bubu enso we de mpanimfo no wankasa ekra gidi Black Stars coach Kwesi Apia na wo de atudwa se team no se ye kase ebegina ne nanso pa ejina ne nanso pampe eti German burger ne pimpinis no ejina ne nanso se de ahye ne starch de sa so nti onim se ene kwan bia so enkunim de beba we eye de graphic
na ba so abenya wo na wo Germany
omulen no bo se bone ye mo ya ne don twekre nkofom bet ne wo miem pampe na na boache he ba ma mencha na no pay na no tete boga
baso de na so na wo soro kakra
no
on so for misa
esa so agudie no e che de wakọ Said aba Said Juwari kan fa no na tufo
Asamoah will score the first goal.
So.
Asamoah Beshe.
Baby jet Beshe. Morale so camp. I high. It means why we move short videos now on the GFA platform this now. Man we say BBC Pidgin. Ekwafa bi e de ato which be say obi ani age se de o so almost say o mo those videos na amanfo asha say Ghana for ya anofia na atwea no say no o mu di agro but ama eno na de nkabo mu na ba no eno na ama asay unity no assign a rebuilding it ye de nyame asese
Abrante we message you were sending by 10 times. Ibrahim Baba Garba, Captain, please, the Ministry of Youth and Sports should let us know the budget, or else Ghana will lose today.
There be a bright so. My no my lose party and Danisa boy, Sika, Fridi and Menka, Ministry of Youth, DBO, Seka, Dikran, or Mudibia, or Fridi Ghana, Sikanya, no, them couldn't back up a me and Yajide, Mumu Meningusun, and Nipa Bakwa, or Bednas. Asha match no enunti Ghana Black Stars memoano na na mamento nyumbia yesusa na ne yakoba bola na yato anansi siwa obi bade de fa unyina to form ebezu jesi amawo obi bade de fa unyina to form ebezu jesi amawo anansi siwa obi wa apia fa unyina to form ebezu jesi amawo obi ba baby jet fa unyina to form ebezu jesi amawo de ti ameto sa anwumi amamu ne se nemu nkumu ho enne de mo be ya mo be hye bia mo nkom because Ghana the first man of this country Nana Abedanko Akufo-Addo ebehwe mo enti sa mo de di enimu a e won se mo manana e ba wa ba no enye kwa eti ene Ghana Black Stars kwa omukọ akwakofa nkunim dia banya okon we ye kwakote ni se ntebe na ye dia bankunim edika dia ye ade kwan bia so ye de beba eno ye nsam a graphic democrat an wode aba na Ghana MPs enso so na de aba e wo the Daily Statement democrat ani mu say what now dia wo ye nyina wo jai obi antwa bi obi antwi obi anya hwe wode wo mu pa ye nyina type Black Stars achi say ye di trophy ni bia che 37 years ago ayeji bi anyi bida it say ye ni abre Black Stars omo achitai nyina etai wo mu memu anachi se wo mu nkona wo mu nkonko jimra Chronicles so ekai Black Stars ya wo no so adi bi aba ono na say Akufo-Addo list Black Stars cheer group ese nana adudan Akufo-Addo a wodi animu amaya bo se momfa mu tutu fa momfa mu ntwitwide ebesi bia yeta mu achie mo bofom pirakora ebe miamia mo eno the Bokrata Chronicles so ede aba ena wo hye enne Ghanaian Times achi ha no mu a ena wo Stars mpo de nya Cameroon ena wo hwe no wodo de bani kura na ode ne ni asi no so se mesusu me kache ni bakro se mi feeling no kache nse mi feeling no it is say ohwe
Kwame se chwa feeling dey oton
papa na winning me Adom daso Adom daso into feeling me obo yen si achiro na me ma momo number
ade yakubo
it's a graphic sports here. What the Andre Dede Ayew, Ghana Black Stars captain, and now what they know about Usha Newfonia will try at him, Senate Branania Bre, a bra watch me, Catherine, and him crown when he years and any braba. It's a no some and a Democrat idea, but and also so Cote d'Ivoire, Name supporting Omni South Africa. Ya Cote d'Ivoire didn't Kunimba, Ama South Africa, and me and Simwada Braka, what they Moon Sam Nuna about Unim say Afcon, about radio commentary, multimedia, yadia. Hey, so unim say it me jai and you brace SPM news, a commentary, let us at the yadia and Casa, and the Asempa, Adom, Ishra, love, joy, hate, yeah, Nadiano, is Siena Swa, Adom Nsem, by Itinana, the Bonkrata, and ne, Wamoka Yahua, Yenina, yeah, wish Ghana Black Stars now.
Tina, the BB fee. Okay, Tina, or say Black Stars, all the best watching you live from Stuttgart, Germany. I would own trip impedance. Thomas Obi, Captain, you are too much. You also too much.
What's the own trip impedance? Man, no, you're not a Nika, say, Atrom go to just on the top or no.
And that's wrong.
And Ebola. And then also the Stars battle Benin today.
Okay.
And no one some the Bokrata no so daily guide and so the about actually. And now was someone about when you want one. I just say we jam which is a son say yeah Stars na yes so many so Ghana football can be great again. We and Kransha some yeah what they about say was say chairman.
Machine I'm doing to not and bobo.
Chairman ma normalization committee no and na was said ye Ghana for ye dry ye war edema agokansie footballer otumi hu se nyame ya adom na nyoma tuto ya Ghana football betimi asen agina ne na so bio sade tete no na etie no apepepe Ghana ade ba ko e ka ye bom eno no football se ba no kotoko ne house na no de moja timigu na ba no Black Stars ne under 17 ne Black de be Matthias ne nkeka ho na eno no de ya na ye nyina ye de ya enti nkabo mu no ba eba ni bum enti esesa mo be ama aye brother Sami so wa ha ene all trend they said your pen ho na
mo trend sa
all trend
say you no go na tonsu
na say unso ne hwehwem na say timi de awu a ena ya na edi asem na ba no
anti de asofo no nso no mo tori na
yenya dance bia say e awudro dia
no mo hwehwem de
no ne fraud ne betimi dia bo me kan fraud na makai alasa shaibu iyoko boss or the one crime I mean a new feature
the Grant K-boy I say captain today you are really ready pa I am ready papa
oh yeah na ready
we are all ready papa
onim say asori bia yes man in shirt trousers na wo mokọ jogging anopa yes asori na ya picnic
ana na wa bobirim ya na mame kwa amalo so na coach Dauda Jiwala oye Ghana ni coach ono Egypt not here coach what me come mo channel pay
Major Soba Egypt Memo.
Mpacho na Egypt to say.
Nyame adumo ene mo pai bo bibia bu deda nkwa.
Good. Na ho ye ka good morning I can say.
Sabahir. Sabahir.
Hebalis Mpacho can you?
Sabahir.
Savro the hill.
Aywa Sabahir.
Sabahir okay yeah fasi here mo. That's it. Why Egypt tournament na kasa Frida Chelsea abesi na Black Stars be boy feel na wo krum ho na kasa te say
Yo, me ma wa kwa about Egypt. Na feelings in the Egypt for nankasa ebo ana hu se dede e wo krom poppy ni ada friend say sound e wo krom. Na apart from that, you know, we share the other African countries now. Say player be the same fan say be Sadio Mane say obo Liverpool. Maybe all Senegal, maybe a Liverpool supporters be o and now go to say be o mo bo ejiso and say be o mo person mo kwakọ no. And I say be a player be to say friend say Naby Keita. Any other players o magidi and ma bema e friend say Timamufo no adi akiri akoye say be o player we na yakọ no nti o mo di e be di akiri. But all in all no apart from Egypt here unya any other friend say euphoria be asa Egypt there unya sa kind of friend say feeling say there's something going on in the country.
Supporters in free various countries number and I say Egypt for nankasa na ball hwe.
Egypt for no per ball hwe but sana mi di kan no obi ho ko stadium akọ hwe match o ni se be a player say atiti say e wo ha entini me akọ hwe no enye sadia de brena no match ada omo twen se be ada Egypt be ball no omo so omo ho akọ hwe Egypt match.
Oh, okay. Winning ball, why we are coach Black Stars team no, and the Benin team no. Se pa when and hoarding.
Hoarding dear. Men follow Benin for no too much. My show mu training ba ko pe. O show mo so mo ho keka na enye bad dear. But me compare any Black Star ne dia. Ye do ye won pempen so bi o mu nyanu ho. In terms of your professionalism, the way you conduct your training, your tactical approach, your performance on the training pitch, you know, Benin for no, some they compare the ane omum men, but football there, everything can happen. Bibia to me happen. Men kasebia ya bro almost too much so sa. Ntiana say so be there, you be ho ahwe yi na yatimi atoto ye normal yi. Na yatimi edinkonim e wo mo so.
Who shared Benin for the match back one I mean no. Then I won't you to say way a unique as I say ye sheni ye hojuma.
Well I'm very aggressive. And the aggressiveness in the share me hojuma. But who Black Stars so type of aggressiveness now almost a week when you are on a training ground. I mean kind of previous one omokoya no Dubai because na mini hoba no report keke and na minya. But we need the manitium. What you say a costly players no monka no akra na ye fan training kra no. The way no musi bono to say match na no match start no. And I'm say management member ba ku bi ka say munya butru na o chana na match no. And na munya players ni bi say no mo say she. Ye ni abre. Players ni bi. Say hey ye ni abre entina say to me starting na adwia na you who say yes or chana no can see no ye dia hoden and ekum. But aggressiveness there Benin for no more aggressive. Or we are very tough also.
But what should I be to measure more?
Say me compare na me yibi film na me dibi to so dia ye be show.
O should be show.
Ya coach dia ye be show.
Okay.
But be a go no a Ghana for expect say dia be Dawson na wan hwa and no so.
Be say be 2 bi sa no ho.
Be 2 and a 1 and a 2-1 B.
Be 2 or 2-1 bi sa no.
But say your difference now no I mean the last training me base on last training no say difference now me who you know so mutimi make isa kind of compact play now better than say Benin for no be on be run of play on be
but I just say we share and not trading na Black Stars here and I just say and that's all hopa
I need that all I need that all hopa I need that all. And now, my name is player be Ekoy or no about professional Katra or Sudan and Oba Bebo Bio Egypt. And now I call training ground here, me train and normal be so. No, say coach, what can be? Now, at times, me the money to form social ampa. Nam say, no, sir, and I'm catching and say that kind of aggressiveness now players not starting, I bet transfer into the game. And this almost me bonus idea. There's no doubt to say Benin for no bit mania, as I say. Bit many more rhythm in the game, but lack of favor or you bit my Edin Kunim. No two ways.
What share tournament ya nkasa asa surprises bebre wom teams bi na countries bi a who expect so betimi ne countries bi abode ade no we the way Burundi bob match de ade na what is changing in our football?
Also tournament the Obinya qualify say per the preparation extraordinary. Burundi for more prepare ye and I'll share that lack of the likes of Namibia. Namibia say more prepare. It's although unfortunate say more consider that kind of on-go no. Burundi American more prepare and Madagascar. Madagascar na surprise so many Egyptians been mu share TV ra mo bi almost mutumi call stadium ko share match no. Madagascar na surprise o munyina. Madagascar surprise on part of first time on mobile but the way almost see Guinea the ball 2-2 no. Na ye omo 1-1. And before Nansande Kano one network be say surprises no minus no or my surprise tournament no but you munyina the bit my surprise tournament no. And Busa said why na say Mauritania say my share on more matches my follow or more kakra or more performance na nya dia bia to me as surprise Adom friend saying contenders no because we share the way Namibia a boy the way Tanzania kra to me yere no kakra but only say anko ya momo now share your friend saying Burundi we share Madagascar performance na Mauritania to me and yes and so and no I manifest and ho say you want me and perform to the first day to friends expectation and you know I know munyina mo but surprises in the because even the second match is in Crown still surprises in the Bioko. Unless say coaches na omoye yemfa say favorite teams say bia Morocco, e bia Cote d'Ivoire, any other countries na omo Senegal any other any na even Egypt Crown they have to be careful. Egypt na no me catch coach Hani Ramsey. Catch and say despite say omo winning 1-0 against Zimbabwe but they have to be careful with Uganda and DR Congo. No so why Ramsey DR Congo has lost. And the Moba, they are coming more than like a wounded lion, and so they should be careful. Not so okay or the massive. And you know, Kaka Mekaka Milo, friends, and sad debutant for no other surprises in the Ebekoso.
Sir, what shall you being a coach? No countries been on what tournament team were first 4 countries are what typical move back to me and win a tournament? No,
aside Ghana, no Senegal. Morocco and probably Algeria.
Ghana, Senegal, Morocco, Algeria. Meaning that host nation won't mean draw finals.
Egypt, you know, acquire one-man show. And a coach, you know, so I try say, matter one-man show, no pressure be and cotonoso. And you know, you know, free kind of bedding beer on person of the tonoso, no, a tone chain. Now, the team around all the friends and all around all the players. But players now want that type of players now want. I'm so much pedigree kind of former players. This is Serbia, Mohamed Barakat, Abutreka, nomne Ahmed Hassan, nomne other players, you know. And you know, I'm a debate. Papa. And you know, Egypt did. Me more a chance, no. But for my first round, if you make me a qualify for group stage mark on the next round of the competition.
Okay then. Yeah, to say security, security what? Say security very very tight.
Security Egypt say I can't see no crane mass no. Almost security almost for Niagara. Almost security almost for Niagara. And I can't see no so banna former president no so who prison no. Ama security no must be phone up because on pay basa yobia and on person be biba say African Cup no nti wa obeko stadium kura kwa match no so unya fan ID omuhu identity ubi bia ansa na wako stadium kwa match because o matter get boys bia you from All Trust o me supporters of Ali Club ni Zamalek Club o matter get omo because omo revolution omo na di mo akotene pa etu mobile truth ama military for no interior security fairness and or money exisa ankrofo no so intinama security dia o mabifu ni ye pa ene men nada bebia obedu naja o mabifu security na bibia koso ye pepepe
coach anope me da se bibia se e chere be sato safrel
me so me da masipi ni tia Ghana fo nyina
Ghana Fuina so.
Na Medino ye Dauda Jawara.
Dauda Jawara.
I a former Gambia president Dino.
Dauda Jawara. Okay.
Yeah.
Coach, I don't pay that. It's a free dance. Will be a
Ghana from Paibona. You hear my blasters.
Yo. Be one pine na momo.
Ana. Ansa na me kono na ye Jones Asante Mfojo. Kobe Jones na woda.
Me who say what show me be to Facebook na. And maybe say ndane kwa wi ado bi adane so.
Obi adane so fo nwanwa. Na Kobe Jones me kai say ye wo JSS no na obo afternoon my friend is say slow ibina no omobo no na wote Kobe Jones oh lovely
awahi
Sky FM sunyan
hey
bra no senior Kobe Jones oh lovely yeah shut that kojina cocoa board na o twemu a na obi aye Kobe ni obi akopena he na mobile phone hanka be hu ni selfie na shut that kojina cocoa board ase o sinya ene na woda eti Kobe yakopon ye kese ntempa zana bedu ha eti yakopon won hia na oma wo enkwan na ahoden ewu mu na bra we ni di maestro no te ase Maestro.
Maestro.
It's a good day.
Gracias. Officer Mugabe, make us a text to Bremen. I mean, can you hear one for text message number? Officer Mugabe, and they for birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, Danny, what was all I know. Yeah, ba, I do swaba. Then over. Kwesamo.
Boss.
Now, we better find it.
Oh, boko.
We would I would say, while I say,
me na me chene she. Because me start to share a channel. Oh no, I feel no GSS. And now me ba no ono ade tuga say da bia obi ahu me so che. And I met to me channel abako se monko a.
To them.
Oh David. Say get started there. Etua. We start here.
Say what that was.
Oh David o me da me she but.
Enti yen say what that.
Na me yedwuma na me share. Oh, I for corporate sponsorship. Me to me by heart. Me to me na kese mani abre pa. Enti we dey mani nko kuza.
Enti who coach leader na wo she.
Oh me cheche. Oh, bisa pictures bia we say me cheche. Me to me by heart. Me say players go say me to me na o my alert. Se mani abre. Tabako sem. Me to me na abako sem nko a.
Captain no or dwarfs no. So dwarfs shegwa oyini chen no ama players no de o mo sabe fifa ni tri ho.
Na che se ni tri ho ya kwabo.
We dey statifia Liberty for na ye shegula no to me che.
Players no.
I know that kwatu baby. Na ninga jubilation no de so be gu mitim. Ya sate brume pa.
Players
brume pa, brume tini me brume.
Adeta.
No masa ko cheche no. Akofa cha ndia ba she miti. Then the game continues.
And also come.
Aye. So player coach relationship. So now when you want to know, they play for you, they know who you are, they like you, they love you. Yes, I when you play sana, team no lose kwa na ya. O mai ro ho abo. Nti abako sam de o me chenu pa.
Wow.
Aye.
Why so we be fine?
Chama be come pa. Good morning. You be come.
Come. When your information free ho. O de obenya. Eti almost say then because we dey cabiche, we dey crash.
The course one say Asumjo camp. Asumjo BBI fine. I mean players not admit to say there's a series of camping Makunyina. This is the best one on betting I show Ghana for. As a camping we are very peaceful. And apart from Musa Nuhua Opra, I think the issues of injury, BBN Horma Ebaya players are very, very ready for today's game and the tournament ahead. And the Hornum there Asumji and a Hormapa.
Oh, okay. Then I buy more sports.
Enna blue bed no to ko riem a eye blue fe no mu na